All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import products into TunePipe. So this is when you've got a huge collection of products. Perhaps you're migrating over from another store system, and rather than adding them one by one manually, you just want to import everything. Fortunately, you can do that in TunePipe. And depending on how you've got things formatted, it's really not that hard. Now, hopefully your existing system has an export, and you can export everything to CSV, and you might need to reassign some values, as I'll show you here in a second. Or if for some reason you just want to compile a big CSV rather than adding them product by product, you can also do that. Although I think that would be, if you're compiling the CSV from scratch, then it's probably a wash in terms of effort, and I'd probably just use the manual import, the manual product creation option, which you see here. So I'm here in a demo site. If I wanted to import this, basically you just come over here to the More tab, you click Import, and what I'm going to recommend is you use this sample import file. So I would just click on that, save it to your computer, and it's going to download it there for you. And if we want to click on this, we can do that. I just might need to shrink this here so you can see it. I've got some funny zooming going on, but you can see here how everything is formatted. And then what you would need to do is just kind of come through and add your own product URLs, your own product titles, your own descriptions, and everything to each one of these columns, and then re-import this CSV. Likewise, you can, in most cases, take your existing CSV from your store system and then import it. And on the next screen that I'm about to show you, you can reassign the values. So once you've got that CSV sort of sorted on your computer and it's ready for importing, you would simply click Import Now. And we would come here, we'll click Product Template. Again, these are just, I've got some silly chairs in here as example products, but we come in here and we assign these CRM properties. So the handle or product URL is the handle/URL feed. Again, because this is properly formatted, everything's already done for us. The product title is here, the product description is here, the product category is here, and so forth. And we've got everything down to our options and product weights. And again, you might want to just import the products and add some of these variants manually, or you might want to import everything. So is it hidden? No. And this is the hidden value in the CRM and everything else. So first line in the CSV file is a header. That's, you can tick that or not. And you've got all these options down here, and you'd simply click Next. And then you get this message saying that an import is in progress. We'll notify you on your email once the import has been completed. This really only takes a second. It can take up to a few minutes. I'm just going to pause it until I get that email telling me that everything has imported successfully. Okay, I've got that email. You can just check your inbox. It actually came in before I finished talking. I didn't even need to pause. But now, when we refresh our store page, we can see these example products all in our store ready for purchase. And we come to our store page within the builder, the admin side, and we can see all of the products there. And you can click around and play with them if you want to make sure all of the options are as you intended. And everything is, you've got in any kind of additional stuff you might want to add, like tracking inventory and adding tags and these kinds of things. So that is how the import feature works. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward, depending on what your starting point is with your existing system. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just get in touch with support. All the best.